Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to answer which growth stock is the better one to buy today. Is it the Trade Desk or Confluent? To answer this question, I'm going to compare them on revenue, operating margins, cash flow, and then valuation. Let's get right into it, starting with revenue. Looking at revenue, Confluent is meaningfully ahead of the Trade Desk, growing at 38.18% in the most recent quarter. Meanwhile, the Trade Desk grew at 21.4%. Each of these two companies is experiencing decelerating revenue growth for primarily the same reason, and that is enterprises are concerned that economies worldwide will enter into a deep recession or a deeper recession. Some countries are already in a recession. The US may or may not enter a recession in 2023. Those are the concerns that has enterprises cautious about marketing, which hurts Trade Desk, and cautious about spending money on enterprise cloud services, which Confluent offers. So for that reason, you can see each of their growth rates has been decelerating in recent quarters. Comparing them on operating profit margin shows a different story. The Trade Desk meaningfully way ahead in this metric at a positive 6.53%, while Confluent is negative 76.31%. I can say this on behalf of Confluent, it is at least making progress in lowering those losses on the bottom line as the revenue is growing. It's at least moving in the right direction. And when we look at cash flow from operations to sales, we see a similar story with the Trade Desk considerably ahead of Confluent with an excellent cash flow from operations to sales of 35.87% compared to negative 28.4% for Confluent. So in my opinion, the cash flow from operations to sales and the operating profit margin are more important than revenue growth, especially when both of the companies are growing revenue and it's just a difference between the quantity or the pace of revenue growth, as is the case in this example here. Finally, I wanted to compare them on valuation, and these are not cheap stocks. Confluent is trading at a forward price to earnings of 241, an expensive stock to be sure, while the Trade Desk is trading at a forward price to earnings of 55. Compared to Confluent, it looks cheap, but a forward price to earnings is not cheap on its own. So, if I was to pick one of these two excellent growth stocks to buy today, I would pick the Trade Desk. The Trade Desk operates in the advertising industry, which has already shown a rebound in the second and third quarter of 2023, while enterprise spending has been slower to recover. Additionally, I like that the Trade Desk is trading at nearly 1/5 or 1/4 the valuation of Confluent while delivering better profit margins and better cash flow from operations. So for all those reasons, I would choose the Trade Desk as my choice of better growth stock to buy today. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.